This message is connected with your soul's purpose. It's another sign that you're on the right path. You may be also an empathic, psychic, or healer by nature, which you should learn and develop further. Life may not appear to be moving forward in the direction of your bright future, but trust that it is moving in the best possible direction that God has intended for you. Believe that our lives have already been inscribed in the stars long before we were reincarnated on earth. Your experiences have served to clear any karmic debt you may have, and the time has come for you to pass on these lessons to others. This is also a divine confirmation to expect great news. Your angels want you to prepare because it is approaching quickly. Allow possibilities to come to you and open your heart. The blessing in disguise is knocking at your door, so welcome it. Your romantic life has been given a doorway of opening doors by the divine. It's time to accept the person for whom the universe has predestined you and to let your heart be completely open. This person will appear in front of you honestly. More than ever, you are a wiser and more cautious person. Let yourself carefully evaluate the person before falling passionately in love. God will send out a person in a direct and peaceful manner. If you are truly meant for that person, God will never lead you astray and confuse you.